So this is my son's favorite movie. He absolutely loves cars. And, well, we got a little surprise for him. So let's check out what we did. Alright, this is weird. A nice rooms to go bed coming in here.
I didn't notice it.
Doing great. Alright, this is going to be a big bed, huh? Alright, so here we are making the car's bed.
Hey, London, you ready?
Oh yeah, lightning's ready.
You ready to see your car? Your car bed? Come on, you ready to see? You ready? Josh. Yeah? Go check it out. Oh, what's that? What's this? Oh. Joshua's race car bed. You got a race car bed? You gonna go fast? Super, super fast? Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Oh no. Attack.